We're taking a closer look at a troubling trend with drowning deaths in children. They are up nearly 30% in some age groups. WSAV's Nikaya Harris joining us now with what local doctors want you to know.
The Centers for Disease Control says drowning is the leading cause of death for children 1 to 4 years old. Here is what one local expert has to say about keeping your children safe this summer. With temperatures in the 80s, what better way to spend the day in the sun than to take a dip in the pool? According to Dr. Michael Bossack at Memorial Health, it's okay to do so, but make sure you're keeping an eye on your children if they tag along. He says the hospital sees a couple of tragic drowning outcomes each year.
Not every drowning makes it to the hospital, unfortunately, and so a lot of these are near drownings where they've gone under and they've been pulled out and then they are surviving those events, but we don't catch every kid that does not survive.
In a recent study published by the Centers for Disease Control, over 4,500 people drowned each year from 2020 to 2022. They say drowning deaths increased by 28% among children ages 1 to 4 in 2022 compared to 2019.
You should be bringing kids out of the pool, turning them over and banging on their back and trying to get some of the water out. If they are not breathing, then CPR should be started and 911 should be called immediately.
Dr. Bossack says any kids that are going into a pool should have touch supervision, meaning caregivers should be no further than 1 arm's length.
If you are in a group of people, you should set up someone who's the water watcher. They put their phone away, they put their drink down, they put their food away, and their job is just to watch the water, make sure everyone is doing okay, and make sure no one's slipping under.
The CDC says over half of U.S. adults have never taken swimming lessons. Dr. Bossack urges parents to enroll their kids.
Kids over the age of 1 can survive drowning events and can swim and learn to swim. And so anybody over the age of 1 should really be enrolled in some sort of swimming class that teaches them how to stay afloat and get to the side.
The city of Savannah will be having their swimming lessons for all ages starting next month for $25. Registration is May 19th at Daffin Park from 1 to 5 p.m. Nikaya Harris, WSAV News 3 on your side.